section yung nangyari. So, right. Ito yung sensory from pain and and then proprioception and vibration.
Where?
So, ito pong ito po, ma'am, yung for motor control. Tapos, nandiyan po yung tracks for balance from the brain. So, yung vestibulo-spinal. Vestibulo-spinal. So, ang ma-affect po, kung magkaroon ng lesion at L2.
Shape where the lesion is in Brown's part.
So, yung Brown's part is lateral and hemisection. So,
Hemisection of the cord.
of the spinal cord.
So which means
madadamage po yung motor and part of the sensory function of the ipsilateral side. Pero kung tatandaan po natin, dalawa yung sensory na nanggagaling sa bawat dorsal ng sensory. So yung isa, nagko-cross agad. So yun yung for nagko-cross agad.
withdraw ka ng muscle. Dorsal
Pwede sa dorsal.
So, yung isang innervation niya, yung for vibration and proprioception, magka-cross on the spinal level.
Vibration and
On the medulla. So, ito pala yan. So, magka-cross siya dito.
where's your medalla?
Higher.
Hindi po siya magkukot.
Sa medulla siya magka-cross. Yung pain and temperature, yung nagka-cross on the spinal level.
Yes, sabihin mo muna, yung Brown's cord, hemisection of the cord, tell us ano-anong mga involved deficit. And then based on the deficit that's involved, we trace why it has that kind of manifestation.
Tama naman yung lumbar.
The L2. Where's the dermatoma level of L2?
So, ma'am, it's 2 sections, 1 or 2 sections.
Lower.
Dermatoma.
Below. The umbilical.
Over here.
So, yung...
So you have a heavy section of the cord.
Yes, ma'am. So, yung mawawala po, yung...
On the right.
On the right.
Heavy section of the cord at the level of L2 on the right.
So, on the right side, mawawala ng on the ipsilateral side, mawawala ng motor and vibration and proprioception sensation, yung same side, which is the right side. Dahil yung nerves niya ay tatawid at the medullary level. So, ma'am, kung dito yung section,
So you mentioned ipsilateral motor problem and vibratory position sense deficit, ipsilateral side, the side of the vision. Now where in your spinal cord is involved causing a motor deficit and a vibratory position sense. That will explain why you have an ipsilateral vibratory sense and motor deficit. Where in your spinal cord?
so ma'am, ito po yung part na vibration and
Okay,
proprioception
now,
sensory.
listen to this. This is very simple to localize when it comes to spinal cord. Now, you now know that your vibratory position sense being supplied by what tract?
The vesicular
The Phillips area. Okay? So, you have the Phillips here and now it's at the back. Now, you have a heavy section of the cord. So, that means X na siya, natamaan siya. Okay? Because you notice you have a deficit over there. Now, you mentioned something else. Meron ka pa? Motor deficit. Because all of these are involved. All of these are involved. So, you have an anterior horn here plus a nerve for motor supply of the particular muscle.
the corticospinal anterior and lateral, and vestibulospinal. Vestibulospinal.
So weakness on the right side.
Yes, ma'am. So, same side.
Why is it ipsilateral and why is it not contralateral?
Ma'am, because the damage, ma'am, kasi sa medulla nag-cross yung nerve. So, dahil, cross na siya, so, dire-diretso. Pag siya mabunod yung two levels down, madadamage.
Okay. So if the lesion is not up here,
Yes, ma'am.
it's down here.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. That's why it's ipsilateral to the side of the lesion is not recorded. Okay, what else?
So, on the other side, mawawalan po ng pain and temperature sensation. Dahil po, yung nerves na naging innervate nun, nag-cross at the spinal level, hindi sa medullary level. So yung possibilities. So, kung tinansect na yan, mawala ka ng ipsilateral vibration and proprioception sensation. So, yung weird lang sa brassicard, yung contralateral loss of pain and temperature sensation. So, bakit siya contralateral? Dahil yung innervation ng pain and temperature sensation ay nag-cross from the spinal level. So, kahit na hindi siya sa side na to, dahil nag-cross siya sa spinal level, yung mawawalang innervation ay yung nasa opposite side. Kahit na ito yung nadami siya side. Okay?